Hey everyone, welcome back to English Lighthouse. In today's quick video, I am going to talk about the idiom break the ice. So, what does break the ice means? This idiom comes from the practice of breaking ice in rivers to allow ships to pass during winters, just like easing into a conversation. Breaking the ice is an idiom that means to initiate conversation in a social setting, making people feel more comfortable and relaxed. For example, suppose you are at a party where no one is talking. You might tell a funny story to break the ice and get everyone chatting. Commonly, people say, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting, or she always knows how to break the ice at social events. Now let me give you a quick tip. Think of breaking the ice as melting away awkwardness, just like breaking real ice. Let ship move freely. Next time you are in an awkward situation, remember to break the ice. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more quick English lessons. See you next time.